Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to get instant suntan remove face mask to get your skin glowing and whitening. So let's start how to I make this face mask. At first I take oats. Then second is almond oil. If you have no almond oil at your home or available in your market shop, so you can add this time in this olive oil. Then take banana slice, milk. So friends, this is my 4 ingredients to get your skin's suntan remove and also get an instant glowing face mask. Friends, I take a bowl, a small little bowl, and take a spoon to add how much I quantity to add this mask. At first I take oats, 1 tablespoon. If you want to use this all of your body, this face mask, you can add same or 1 or 3 teaspoons more ingredients. 1 tablespoon of milk. Take 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Friends, this time I need a blended banana, so I am already blended some quantity of banana, so I take this banana paste. So this is my banana paste and I will add 1 tablespoon of banana. Now mix it. So I will show you how to apply this in your face. I use my hand and apply my skin. You can use this all of your body where you get your skin suntan. Try these ingredients 3 times in a week for better result and remove your suntan's problem. Friends, leave it 20 minutes and after 20 minutes later, then wash your skins and also you use this moisturizer regularly. So friends, this is my face mask in a dye face mask for get your skins glowing and also remove your suntan problem. If you like my video, friends, please subscribe to my channel.